When my wife and I sat down to discuss what our next house would look like, probably like you, we discussed bedrooms and bathrooms and the basement, the kids' play spaces, and really all the stuff that we wanted inside of the house. Now, once the conversation got cooking, like we spent some time, we chatted about schools and how big the yard would be, but it was funny, the stuff that began popping up were like proximity to a Starbucks and how far away is the Chick-fil-A, and Lord knows, like we gotta have Target. And that was just hilarious to me because when we began, that was not at all part of the conversation, but inevitably it became a huge part of what was important to us. And today we're at 5802 Waterfall Way here in Buford, Georgia. Now, the beauty of this property, among tons of things you're gonna see in this video, fall in love with, is that close to Target, close to Publix, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and some of the best barbecue in all of Metro Atlanta. So this house not only is a standalone, incredible, beautiful property, but you got Hall County taxes, which those of you moving here from Gwinnett and Cobb County, man, you're gonna be excited, I promise you, when you see the tax rate. But listen, this house behind me stands alone on its own 2 feet. Incredible full basement, everything going up on the main and second floor. It shines in its own right, but enough talking. Let me send you in, you go look at it, and then don't leave me. Hang out on the back end. I'll talk to you soon. So here we are, right? Like the backyard is pristine. Those of you who are into landscaping, that grass you're walking under, that's zoysia, which it's kind of like the king of all grass, okay? And this space here, we're heading into those fall months where we all want the pumpkin spice latte, we want the fire, we want the s'mores, and this is the spot for it. You are going to love being able to have lifestyle living outside here at this home in Buford, Georgia. Well, again, my name is Mark McMinn, and as always, it's cool seeing through video, right? Like you and I here on social media together, this is a really cool thing, but nothing replaces the opportunity to see it with your own eyes in person. So here on social, what I want you to do right now, go over, send us a DM. We would love to connect with you and help you take a next step here at 5802 Waterfall Way in Buford, Georgia. But most importantly, looking forward to talking with you soon. Bye-bye.